What is going on today, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are having an amazing day. Hopefully it's beautiful where you are. It's actually pretty nice here in Colorado. Today is JD's birthday and he wanted just one thing. He wanted us all to go on a cruise with our dogs, and we were very happy to oblige him in that. However, some of you more astute viewers may have noticed I don't exactly have a dog with me up here on campus. My dog Jack is down at my parents' house, and so we're gonna head off there to go get him. Those new wheels look so good, but my car is so dirty. It rained all of last night. Couldn't tell you now. Look at this, it's beautiful. But yeah, it rained all of last night, and because of that, my car looks like this. I spent like 3 hours washing it. Cold start. There we go, that's a normal cold start that I like. Nice and loud. But it might be getting louder. I might do a cat delete. Stay tuned. Just deal with the fact that I can't see because it's disgusting. That's better. Just a quick gas stop so I don't have to do this later. $3.34 a gallon. Where this wind came from? Open the valve, fire it up. Spicy, but not loud enough yet. And we've made it back to my house. Now I do have a little bit to work on. As you can see, my engine bay is open because my underglow has been acting up, and so I've been texting back and forth with One Up Lighting, trying to get that all resolved. More to come on that. Hopefully their customer service is good. It's been kind of spotty so far, but I need to do a little bit of this, get some videos for them, and then I should be good to go. Also, while I'm in here, I should mention, I did get a new motor mount over there. In there, right there. I did get a new motor mount. So I do believe I am ready for summer cruise season. I have a new motor mount, I have new front and rear brakes and rotors, I have new summer tires, and I think that's everything. Maybe, hopefully, I should be good for potentially even a track day. Except for the fact that I need to go lower and I need more power, but that's to come in the future, hopefully. So while I'm in here, I can show y'all. Right there, you see the water in that? Here, let me make that brighter. There, you see the water in that? That's annoying. It's causing this to freak out. I'll show y'all. So y'all can very clearly tell the engine is on. Those lights are only half on. You can see the left ones and right ones are not on. These lights aren't on at all, and neither are the two underneath. And this one right here is showing red for some reason. So yeah, I'm hoping they can work with me and get that fixed, because it would be very unfortunate for me to have to pocket all that and get new ones. And it would not bode well for them, because I'm still filming the review for these lights and I have yet to cover their customer service. And if they don't want to replace that for something that was a manufacturing defect, as you could see, those were installed correctly. If they don't want to cover that, that will not bode well for them. And I'm not trying to be the Karen that's like, give me free stuff because it's broken. That's a manufacturing defect that it let water in on their waterproof lights. Okay, now that I got that taken care of, it's time to go get the star of today's episode. Hi, Checkers, hey buddy. You wanna go? You need your harness if you wanna go, but Jack, do you wanna go for a ride? Oh, the tongue. He's so cute. Okay, to keep Jack from scratching up my seats, I have this towel. That towel is gonna be put on like that. Hey look, that worked. It works. It's upside down, but it works. Also, he's got some treats. I think he really wants to go. Jack, do you want to go? Do you want to go? Huh? No, not you. Not you. I'm sorry. I know, but you're afraid of people. You don't like people with hats. That's your own problem. You're so cute, though. Oh. And he's gone. Wait. Oh, are you able to go? But no, we're not going on a walk, Jack. We're not going on a walk. Where are we going? We're not getting in Mom's car either. Nope, we're not going in the backyard. Oh, you know this. No, get off my face, jerk. Get. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Hey, sit down. No, sit. Get out of my seat. Come here. Or go in the back. Oh, you're insane. Excuse me, sir, but you need to get out of my seat. No, move. Move out of my seat. Get out of my seat. Get in your seat. Go. Good boy. Good boy. Or go down there. That works too. You're so dumb. And there we go. I've got him latched in. Are you happy, boy? Do you need some air conditioning? Are you hot? Oh, the car made a noise. See, look, he can still get out the window. And now my car's seatbelt alarm won't go off either. Thanks. I just claimed that. You're so useless. Good boy, though. You good boy. What are you doing down there, mister? Are you happier down there? Is it cooler down there? I mean, that would make sense because cold air falls, but like, why are you down there? It's hot. Oh, hey, you're back up here. I think he's finally settled down into somewhere comfy. And by that, I mean he's just fallen asleep on his side. We are off to Woolly Mammoth Park and Ride, where we are going to be meeting everybody else before we just drive to dinner. Or drive to the dog park first, and then dinner. Because we need to let these guys play. And there's gonna be like 6 or 7 dogs, I think. Shut up. But yeah, we're off to Woolly Mammoth, dog park, dinner. Out of nowhere, hello pink. That is a very bright colored Mustang. Dang. Are you comfy there, buddy? You comfy? Oh boy. So apparently Jack has never been out of the house before. No, don't try and get up. You are dumb. I do believe we have a couple people who have just showed up behind us. And he is very anxious to get out of the car, considering we've been sitting here for about 10 minutes. Window goes up. Oh, dude, no, I want to go. And the door goes. Come on out, let's go. Oh, don't jump, or do that, that works too. Hi. Hello.
Hello.
Hey, I recognize you. Oh my goodness, hi. Oh, Jack. Oh, jeez, hi. Jack, be calm. Be nice. Hey, be nice. Hello, people, many people. It's just showed up at the same time. Hello. Okay, Jack, you're gonna be nice.
Oh, you're so freaking cute. You like to pee when you meet people.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. You're just adorable.
Hello. Oh, you shake your leash. The last time the viewers saw Allie, she was like 10 pounds and
Yeah.
like was
Probably about 20 or so.
Yeah, she was tiny though. It was right after. It was the JDM meet right after you got her.
Correct.
And now she's adorable and does that.
And is a
Complete lab.
40-pound dog.
Complete lab
How old
spaz.
is she? How old is she?
4.5 months.
Okay.
Excuse me, mister. Get back. Get back. Get. Sit. Say hi.
He's like.
Okay, so we are out here at the open space. I'm gonna work on getting Jack just friendly with other dogs. Because he's friendly, he's just dumb when it comes to meeting them. So we're gonna work on that today. Okay, Jack is being a good boy. Because of course he is. Also, our lineup though, that's insane. Good look. It's so sweet. Look at them. Oh, whoa, he's gone. Little turd. Oh, you, what? What do you want? Hi. Oh, you're such a good boy. He was very good once he got off the leash, as you guys saw. He just needed to breathe. Where are you going? Oh, he's so sweet.
Sit. Let's sit. Good girl.
Pretty good at BMW.
I love those wheels on it. Those wheels are good.
I run 19.
Come on. What are those?
These are winners. Yeah, I run 19.
Are those 17s?
17s.
Wow.
Just get more sidewall for the winner.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was like, those look the same size as one of my Mini. I was so confused for a second. Oh, but oh, he's such a good boy. Yes, you're a good boy. And close you in there. You abandoned me. Oh, our cars look so cool. Oh, we got the photographers here. I'll just let Kevin do it.
Guys, sniper position.
Back your car up.
Tactical photos, go!
Back your car up.
It's actually really good.
Running!
It's a solid string.
This is amazing.
Taking a picture. Oh, come on. There we go. Watch your head.
Oh, you're a good boy. I'm falling.
Falling into the car.
Yep. Oh, you are such a good boy. Yeah. Oh, yes, good boy. Hey, you need to sleep. You look exhausted, bud. Oh, baby. Night mobbing is the best type of mobbing. We are mobbing our way over to the Lazy Dog. Ooh, hello. You're joining into the lane that I was trying to get into. We are mobbing over the Lazy Dog, and from there, it's dinner for JD's birthday. And I am so hungry that I would very much not be opposed to that. So let's go. Oh, dear Lord, yes. Anyways, night mobbing went wrong because we were too busy messing around and missed our turn. Oops. Do you want to come in?
You should go ask.
Whoops.
I can go ask.
Hello. Hello. Come on.
It was like
Sandwiches and he's being. Oh, you're a good boy. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Nope.
There's a wall there.
Be nice. Okay, go. Be nice.
Is he cows?
I want to go, dude. I can smell you on the highway. It's just like JD. My car. I absolutely love the noise my car makes because it's a very aggressive.
Really distracted. Like, is it on? Like, oh, it is on. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, you can see it from so far back too. It's how I kept activated on.
That was like I wanted to turn it off. I'm like, wait, it's probably helpful for you two behind me being lost. Excuse you. Excuse you. Get out of my seat. Hey. Thank you. Out.
Yes.
Not seeing you. Out of my seat. Out of my seat. Thank you. Oh, you're fat. Get out of my seat. Get out of my seat. Oh, you are not the driver.